你们好，今天我帮你复习票和票两个字。票 on the left means elegant or polished. We have seen it most often with 漂亮, meaning beautiful. So for example, 你的家很漂亮, which means your house is beautiful. 票 on the right means ticket, banknote, or slip of paper, as we learned about in 第10课. For example, 你买票了吗? Meaning, did you buy your ticket yet? The radical of 票 on the left is 水, which means water, and the radical of 票 on the right is 是, which means spirit. I will now demonstrate the stroke order for these two characters. They're pretty much the same except that one has the water radical and one does not. So we'll start with the one with the water radical. 一、二、三、四、五、六、七、八、九、十、11、12、13、14. And then the other 票 is pretty much the same except exclude the first three strokes. So we have 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、11. Some similarities between these two characters are the pinyin and the pronunciation, so they are both pronounced piao, fourth tone. They also both contain piao. Some of the differences between these characters include the radicals, as I mentioned earlier, the structures, left to right compound versus top to bottom compound, and then also one is a pictophonetic and one is a pictographic character. So the piao with the water radical is the pictophonetic. The water radical is tied to the meaning while the other part of the character gives it its sound. And the piao with the spirit radical is the pictographic. So the radical part is supposed to be an altar, and the top part of the character represents rising flames. So this comes from the Chinese tradition of burning fake money for ancestors. One way that you might distinguish these two characters is by remembering that the water makes the character elegant. Maybe you can think of the ocean as having a lot of beauty. Piao without water would have no beauty. Piao without water is just a simple piece of paper or a ticket.